Hello dear friends, we are discussing some of the aspects of the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. Earlier we have discussed some of the cell organelles. Now today we are going to learn one more important cell organelle called as lysosomes. Lysosomes, they are present only in eukaryotic cells, usually animal cells, rarely in plant cells, but at all absent in the prokaryotic cell. The lysosomes are generally spherical in shape. They are irregular sometime in the root tip cell of the plant, and their size indicate that they are ultra microscopic and about zero point 0.2 to 0.8 micrometer. So average size of lysosome is about 0.5 micrometer. Structurally, you can see this diagram that lysosomes are membrane bound sacs, okay, and they are containing much more amount of hydrolytic enzymes. Hundreds and more hydrolytic enzymes are present in these structures, and they are being produced from the Golgi apparatus, as we have seen in earlier class, that they are containing hundreds and different types of hydrolytic enzymes. Now what is the function of them? That is very interesting aspect we are going to learn. The functions of the lysosomes. As you can see friends here, that lysosome, here it is another important diagram I have shown. You can see here endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can observe the Golgi complex here, and this Golgi complex is producing different types of lysosomes. Okay, you can see these are the lysosomes. Now here you can observe that suppose if food particle or any foreign bacterium enters into the cell from this plasma membrane that we called as endocytosis, phagocytosis or pinocytosis. Then when it enters into the cell, the lysosomes get attached with that material, and all the enzymes pour inside that vesicle, and that material get digested. Digested material is absorbed within the cell, and undigested material is thrown out by the process of exocytosis. This is the one of the important role of the lysosome, that what we have to understand. Then lysosome also help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material, as I explained you, but along with that it also kill or digest the worn out cell organelle. For example, mitochondria, if it is dead after a certain period of time, this is engulfed by lysosome. Lysosome secrete certain enzymes on that mitochondria, digest that mitochondrial content and absorb useful one and throw out the unuseful one, and so foreign material entering into the cell like bacteria, like food, they are being consumed by the lysosome, and lysosome help in the digestion of that. Then during the disturbance in the cellular metabolism, for example, when the cell gets damaged or certain tissue get damaged, at that time lysosome in that particular tissue secretes their content and completely digests that cell or little tissue. So that way lysosome also help in killing and eradicating the content of the cell and tissue. Therefore it is also called as suicidal bag. You know, suicide, killing oneself. So here the cell is get completely killed or completely vanished by lysosome, and therefore called suicidal bag. Along with that, they perform the function of heterophagy, autophagy, and extracellular digestion. How extracellular digestion is being performed by lysosome? Because lysosome containing many enzymes, this lysosome goes to the cytoplasmic membrane, and all these enzymes or sometimes hormones, they are being secreted outside. So secretory functions, then extracellular digestion, autophagy, all these are being performed by lysosome. And the contents of the lysosome, as I told you, because they are the enzymes and enzymes are protein, they are being produced by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's what another important aspect we have to understand. Okay. Then here you can see the most important aspect which I want to mention here particularly, the endomembrane system in eukaryotic cell. This is important to understand how they are interrelated with each other. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and different types of lysosomes. Here this is the top view, and this is the three-dimensional diagram where you can understand. The endoplasmic reticulum, whether rough or smooth, they produce proteins and lipids. These proteins and lipids manufactured and synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, they are given to the Golgi complex in the form of vesicles. Okay, these are the bag-like structure containing proteins and lipids and certain types of carbohydrates. When they get fused with this Golgi complex. Here you can see these vesicles. They get fused with this Golgi complex. Within this Golgi complex, certain biochemical reactions set to form certain complex substances. For example, glycoproteins. For example, lipoproteins. So these complex substances, they are manufactured, they are packed in the form of vesicles by the Golgi complex, and these substances in the form of either secretion, if they are the secretory vesicles, these are then goes to the cell membrane and they pour their contents. If they are transporting vesicle, they are transporting proteins and enzymes and hormones and different types of secretion that our cells are usually secreting. Okay, so secretory substances, transport vesicles, they are being produced from this Golgi complex. They goes to the plasma membrane and they pour out their content out of the membrane, that we called as exocytosis. Okay, so this is one we call function of extracellular secretion of the substances. Here this is another diagram. You can see here it is a lysosome. Here you can see the lysosomes are there. Two functions of the lysosome we can understand. When some foreign food material enter in our cell or cell of, so say amoeba for example, these lysosome combine with these food vesicles, and with the help of enzyme present in these lysosomes, the food is completely digested. Digested material is absorbed in surrounding cytoplasm, and undigested material goes to the cytoplasmic membrane and it throws its material outside. This will be called as intracellular digestion. For extracellular digestion, as I told you, that vesicles, or they are called lysosome containing much more enzyme, they goes to the plasma membrane and they secrete their content outside the cell. What happens in our digestive tract is the same thing. Now, one more important aspect that we call autophagy. Lysosome also perform the function of autophagy. What autophagy means? If some cell organelle like old mitochondria get dead, old, worn out, this worn out cell organelle is engulfed by lysosome. The lysosomal content that we call enzymes, they are secreted inside. It digests that mitochondria and digested material is absorbed once again in the cell cytoplasm, and undigested material is thrown out. That we call autophagy. Auto means self, phagy means engulfing. The lysosomes are engulfing the cell organelles or material present within the cell, and in this way it is cleaning the cell. That's why lysosomes are also called as scavengers of the cell. They are cleaning the cells in that way. And in heterophagy, sometimes suppose some bacteria enters. Here I have shown example of food, but instead of that, for example, some bacterium enters. That bacterium is engulfed and it form the vesicle, and within that vesicle that bacterium is captured. The lysosome get combined with this vacuole with containing the bacterium, and then it kill the bacteria, digest the bacterial cell also. That we call heterophagy. So this is the endomembrane system of the eukaryotic cell, where endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and the lysosome together functions differently, resulting into the combined effect of that particular cell. So this is very important to understand, friends. This endomembrane system is in particularly cell. I request you to please read all these aspects again and again. If you are having certain doubts, you can ask me. If you like it, you please subscribe my channel, Dr. Sunil Modak's BioDNA, where you will get the recent contents related with the cell. You will also get notification if you subscribe my channel. I will be very grateful if you comment, if you give me suggestions for producing different types of contents as per your needs. With this, I conclude. Thank you very much. Goodbye.